Let's check. SKIPCT. What is that? SKIP? What is SKIP? You tell me. Skip. Is skip an action word? Yes. SKIP. Skip. You skip. You get someone to help you to skip, or you skip with the skipping rope. So we found one action word. Let's go on. BCAAR. Any action word? Next row. RUN. RUN? What is that? Run. Is run an action word? Yes. So we circle that. RUN. Run. Next. AAINWC. Any? KIKTL. No. Last one. JUMP. What is that? Jump. Is jump an action word? Yes. We circle JUMP. Jump. Good. We found skip, run, and jump. Let's go on. Look. To look for more action word. Now let's say SBRAKJ. Any? KCUAIU. Any word? IANIK. Did you find any action word? PAINT. What is that? Paint. Is painting an action word? Yes. So we got one word here. Paint. Good. CRAWL. Did you find the word? Crawl. Very good. Who crawled? Baby crawls. Yes. CRAWL. Crawl. Finally, TLICKB. Anything? LICK. What is that? Lick. What do you lick? Your lollipop. You lick your ice cream. So look at all the words we found. Is it interesting? Good. First we found skip, then run and jump. What's the next word we found? We found paint, crawl, and lick. What are these words? All action words. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's go on to another exercise and find some new action words. Here we are. Look. SING. What is SING? Sing. Is sing an action word? Yes. Let's circle it. SING. Sing. When do you sing? When you are happy. Let's circle SING. Sing. Who sing? Anyone can sing. Yes? Sing is an action word. So we found the first action word. Good. Now, let's go on. Let's go on to find sing we circled. Let's go on to find more action word. BOAONE. Any action word? No. DBCRYA. Can you find any action word here? CRY? Cry. Good. What is cry? You cry when you want something. You cry when you fall down. Yes? You cry when you get hurt. Cry. Let's look for here. The next. Let's find DANCER. Yes, there is an action word here. What is that? Dance. Very good. DANCE. Dance. What is dance? You move your hands and legs and your body when you are very happy. You go dancing when you are very happy. Good. Let's find more action word. PNFELN. Any action word here? No. Let's go on. B-U-Y-R-O-T. Any action word here? B-U-Y, buy. What is that? You buy anything. You buy toys, vegetable, ice cream, anything, buy. Let's look at all the action words we found so far. Sing, cry, dance, buy. Very good. Let's go on to find more action word. S, B, D, D, P, B. Any action word? No. Let's go on to the next. I, O, B, A, N, new. Any action word here? Next. N, A, C, N, F, Y. Any action word? No. G, O, R, C, E, R. Any action word here? G, R, O, G, O, R, C, E, R. No. Let's see. O, N, Y, E, L, O. Any action word? Next. T, E, A, R. What is that? Tear. Yes, you tear a paper, you tear a cloth, tear. Action word. So we found one action word. Sing, cry, dance, buy, and tear. Yes? So all these are action words. Did you enjoy? Shall we go to another exercise and find some more action words? Good. Here we are. Let's find them all. First, look at the letters here. P, E, E, P. What is that? Peep. You peep into your book. You peep into mommy's kitchen to see what delicious item she's making. Peep. Is peep an action word? Yes. Good. Let's find more. B-O-A-O-O-R. Any action word? No. N, next row, N-O-T-E-U-E. Any action word here? Next. P-U-S-H. Push. Is push an action word? Yes. You push your friend, you push the table, you push the furniture. Push. It's an action word. Good. So we found two. Peep and push. Next. Y. Let's go on to find more action word. Y and F E H S. Any action word here? Let's find the last row. P A P O K E. P O K E. Poke. Yes, you poke into the cake, you poke into the potato, poke someone. Yes, very good. Look. Peep. Push. Poke. Good. Shall we find some more? Good. Look. P, B, N, P, Y, P. Any action word? Go on. E, O, O, U, N, A. Any action word? Can you find? Spell it out. E, A, T. What is E, A, T? Eat. Is eat an action word? Yes. Eat is an action word. So we circle it. Okay. Now nothing more here. Let's go on to the next row. P, O, E, H, E, O. Any action word? Let's go on. T, O, U, C, H. Touch. Is touch an action word? Yes. So we circle touch. Next. P, R, E, S, S. What is press? Press is an action word. P-R-E-S-S. Press. Look, we found so many. Peep. Push. Poke. Eat. Touch. And press. So many action words. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good.